Ready to master ChatGPT. Whether you're using it for writing, coding, research, business, studying, or everyday productivity, learning the right workflow can help you get faster, more accurate, and more useful results. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to master ChatGPT in 2026. So let's get started. First, become familiar with ChatGPT's core features. Explore Chat's images, library, plugins, projects, codecs, file uploads, image tools, custom and personalization settings so you understand what each feature is designed to do. Spending a few minutes exploring the interface makes everything easier later. Next, create detailed prompts that clearly explain your goal, the audience, the format, the tone, and any important requirements. The more useful context you provide, the easier it is for ChatGPT to produce a response that matches your needs. Yeah, specific prompts usually produce better results than short or vague requests. Upload PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, or images whenever they're relevant to your task. For long-term work, organize related chats, files, and instructions inside projects so everything stays together. I mean, keeping your work organized helps you continue projects without repeating the same background information. Don't settle for the first response. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite, expand, simplify, summarize, compare, or explain its answers until they match exactly what you need. Take a moment to ask follow-up questions whenever something isn't clear. Working iteratively is often more effective than trying to write one perfect prompt. Use ChatGPT across different workflows, including writing, coding, studying, research, business tasks, brainstorming, planning, and document analysis. The more practical experience you gain, the more effective you'll become. Experimenting with different use cases is one of the fastest ways to build confidence. Always review important responses, verify critical information with reliable sources, and continue improving your prompting skills as new ChatGPT features become available. So you've successfully learned how to master ChatGPT, and that's how to master ChatGPT. By understanding its features, writing stronger prompts, organizing your work, refining conversations, and applying ChatGPT to real-world tasks, you'll unlock its full potential. I mean, the more consistently you use ChatGPT with thoughtful prompts and organized workflows, the more valuable it becomes as your everyday AI assistant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.